city's a street market where you did shopping? Or describe a time you bought something from a street or outdoor market.
Woohoo! It's time to learn follow-up questions.
What kind of markets are there in India? In India, there are various types of markets, including financial markets, stock markets, and commodity markets, among others. Each of these markets holds its unique significance. Do you think small markets will disappear in the future? Certainly, I believe that small markets will continue to thrive in the future due to their unique significance. While one may need to strategically plan visits to large malls situated outside urban areas, small shops promptly address the daily requirements of local residents. Therefore, although they might experience a decline in sales, small markets are unlikely to vanish entirely. Have people's shopping habits changed in recent years? Certainly, the transformation in consumer shopping habits has been profound due to technological advancements. Nowadays, individuals can effortlessly acquire the items they require. This shift is evident with the emergence of innovative shopping avenues, including online stores accessible via the internet and shopping applications available on smartphones. What are the differences between shopping in street markets and big shopping malls? Shopping malls offer recreational attractions and contemporary amenities, attracting shoppers with their modern facilities. In contrast, street markets draw people in with their ethnic food and clothing, set against traditional backdrops. Furthermore, while products in large malls tend to be expensive, street markets typically offer items at more affordable prices. Do you think the goods sold at discount stores do not have good values or qualities? In my view, goods sold at discounted prices don't necessarily indicate inferior quality or value. Instead, companies often offer these products at reduced prices to clear their inventory. Additionally, some businesses use discounts as a strategy to attract a broader customer base. Why do some people like to buy expensive goods? There are primarily two reasons for purchasing costly items. Firstly, the quality of such products is generally superior because they are often branded and less prone to damage. Take, for instance, an iPhone, which is known for its durability and reliability. Secondly, in today's society, people are increasingly inclined to showcase their status through luxury items, indicating a desire to flaunt their wealth and prestige to others. Do you like shopping online or going out for shopping? Actually, my preference varies based on the situation. For instance, when there's a sale or discounted prices available, I lean towards shopping online. However, if I'm considering purchasing something of high quality or a more expensive item, I opt to visit the store in person.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.